In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Hisense Roku TV to the Wi-Fi if it's not already done. So very easy, take your remote control, you're gonna press the home button, the top right corner button. Then once you're on the main screen on the left side, this is where the menu is, you're gonna press once on the up arrow, so you select settings. Press OK. Once you're in settings, network should be one of the first option. Highlight network. If it's not, just use the up and down arrow. Okay, press OK. And then over here, go down and select setup connection. Press OK. And then you have to decide if you want wireless or wired. Now, if you have clicked on this video, I suppose it's because you want Wi-Fi. If not, many Hisense Roku TV have a Ethernet port in the back where you can connect a cable directly to your home router if you don't want to use this wireless connection. But for the purpose of this video, I'll select wireless and then press OK. It will search for all the networks that are available around this TV, and a list will be presented to you with all of them. If you don't see your Wi-Fi network, try to bring the TV closer to your Wi-Fi router. So find your Wi-Fi network, mine is this one, press OK, and now it's time to type the password of this network. Once you have typed, press the connect button down below. Wait a few seconds. You'll get a few green check mark here, just telling you everything is okay. And this is it. You'll be back on this video, on this menu, sorry. Now you can press this home button and start using your TV, and having access to the Wi-Fi obviously is great if you have a smart TV, because then you can use all these apps and stream content. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.